Hi guys, I hope you are doing great. Guys, today I'm here to present a reliable and unbiased piece of information about do I need a COVID-19 test com reviews. So guys, are you ready to enhance your cup of knowledge for the better information? For that you need to stay tuned with me, watch the video till the end and do like and subscribe to our channel. So guys, one thing, precaution is always better than a cure. The pandemic is spreading its wings like a spider web. Want to get out of a trap? If yes, you need to be attentive. If you're having some symptoms similar to COVID-19, go and test yourself. So the website says, do I need a COVID-19 test? If you are experiencing the following symptoms, please call your healthcare provider or 911. Difficulty breathing or shortness of breath, persistent pain or pressure in the chest, new confusion or inability to arouse, bluish lips or face. If you have a problem in above problems, if you're facing that, you can easily click here to register for a COVID-19 test. Log on here to view and print your lab report if you have received an email notification that your results are available. These are the get results. Just click it here and your result will going to showcase here only if you have tested for the COVID-19. Drive-through COVID-19 testing. This program is part of the public-private partnership announced on March 13, 2020. True North is working with HHS, state and local officials and pharmacy and lab partners to open testing sites in areas of need. In the present situation, many cities in India and all over the world is having testing of COVID-19 in remote areas where the tests are free of cost in some areas and some areas it is chargeable for the people. The testing location are drive-through and by appointment only. The test is free to those individuals being tested. Testing following the CDC guidelines to determine eligibility. So who are eligible are healthcare workers and first responders, other individual with symptoms, other individual without symptoms in accordance with state and local plans and for public health monitoring. Please note down that certain states have a minimum age testing requirements. Check out the site page for your testing location for details. Test locations are there on the website. Check out where you are living and what is the nearest point. You can easily go and check it out for COVID-19. Select the state to see the test location available and select a location to register or log on. Alabama, Arizona, California, Colorado, Delaware, Florida, Georgia, Hawaii. There are many locations. Easily go and check it out where you are living and the nearest place for the COVID-19 testing. The list will be updated as additional locations become available. You need to check out back if there are no tests in your area. So if there is no test in your area, you can go to the nearest point available where the tests are going on. When we talk about the test day as per the information, testing locations use a self-administered nozzle. So guys, yes, before moving ahead, do like and subscribe to our channel as it will motivate us to do better. So guys, if the testing location is concerned, it is use a self-administered nasal swab test that allows you to swab your own nose while in your vehicle, supervised by trained medical volunteers. Results will be delivered within 3 to 5 business days as per the latest information. You will receive an email notification when results are available. Once you receive the email, return to the site and log on to the view and print your lab report. So guys, if latest report says if you have received an appointment, it is very important that you print and bring your test voucher with you on the day of your test, because that voucher is very important and it is a proof that you have already registered. So guys, if you wanted to watch the video, you can easily watch the video and download the instructions to learn how to test yourself for COVID-19, what to expect for your COVID-19 self-swab test. So the site is @eTrueNorth, the reserved rights are there. You can check out their concerned authorization, privacy notice and terms and condition. Even you can check it out how the COVID-19 self-swab test is going on, so that you can better get the information before getting testing. So as per the information, if customers are facing any of the above symptoms, go and check yourself to the nearest point. So guys, yes, if you found our information helpful, do share, comment, and for the latest news and updates like this, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much guys for being such a warm audience, and be safe and be informed.